Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about how to delete blank rows from your Excel data. Okay, here you can see I have blank rows in my data. Okay, I am going to delete them in one step. Okay, first of all, select your all data. After that, press F5 from your keyboard. Now click on special and then select blanks. Okay, now click on OK. This will select all the blank rows from your data. Now right click on any of your blank row and then click on delete and select shift cells up. So all your empty rows will be deleted. This is the easiest way I know how to delete blank rows from your Excel data. If you know any other better way, please write down in comment section below. And if this video helps you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back with more informative videos.